Hey, what's up? My name's Chase, and today I'm going to show you how a blogger will create a graphic header for their blog. I actually run a Tumblr called GIFweenus, and I'm going to show you how to create just a header that would go to the top of my Tumblr blog. We're going to start in Photoshop by going to File, New. Typically, the average width of a header on the internet is about 960 pixels. The height you can have as pretty much as small or large as you'd like. I like kind of a middle of the range, so I'm going to start by just changing this to pixels. The width I'm going to put in is 960, and my height I'm going to leave at about, I don't know, 400. It's kind of going to give it like a chunkier shape. The resolution 72 dpi because it is only going to be viewed on screen. We're not going to be printing it, and I'm going to click OK. Let me just zoom out so you can see. So we've got this rectangular shape here for our header. My Tumblr is actually just white, so I'm going to leave it white. You can change the color of the background if you'd like. Typically, you're just going to put the title of the blog in your header. So I've clicked on the type tool over here. It's going to create a new type layer. Sometimes it takes a second just to work. I'm going to drag here just a box. And once I've done that, you'll see that a new type layer is formed over here in the layers palette. And right now it's just centered. I'm just going to, in all caps, type in my blog name, GIFweenus. Right now it's underlined, and to get the that underline off, I'm just going to go to Window and Paragraph. And that's just going to bring up our type menu. I'm going to go to Character over here, and right here there's the option to turn off the underline. And now I'm just going to select my typeface. The typeface that I use is Helvetica. It's bold, and I actually use an italicized version of it. And then I'm just going to adjust the type size by making it pretty large just to fill in that box. So let's try, I don't know, 125. So you can see that it's actually a lot larger than what the box can hold. So I'm just going to adjust the box size and then move that to the center of my rectangle. By clicking on the type tool and just double clicking inside of that, now we can adjust the type size. We can adjust what we want to type in there. We can adjust the color. I'm going to change the color just by clicking up here, the color box up here. I'm going to click on that, and that's going to bring up our color selection. The colors of my blog are a hot pink color and a neon yellow, so I'm just going to go with this hot pink. Click OK. And the next thing I'm going to do is just give that a nice filter effect by maybe just dropping the shadow a bit. So we're going to come over here at the bottom of our layers palette, and there's Add a Layer Style. Make sure that our type layer is selected. I'm going to click Add a Layer Style, drop Shadow, and that will bring up a new dialog box with the shadow dropped. You can change the settings in here if you'd like. I'm going to leave them the same. Click OK. And then I'm just going to flatten the image by going to Layer, Flatten Image, and that's it. My name's Chase, and I showed you how to create a blog header for your blog using Photoshop. Thanks for watching.